Okay, this is set to OUAT for entrance test practice set. Okay, so first question: membrane system considered to be extension of enfolding plasma lemma is called endoplasmic reticulum. That's it. Which of the following is the site of lipid synthesis? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. चूज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. चारों पढ़ लेना, ये सबसे आंसर ठीक होगा. ठीक है. राइबोसोमल सब यूनिट आर united during protein synthesis. Site of formation of ribosomal precursor or ribosomal subunit is cell is the nucleolus. Ribosomes are attached to endoplasmic reticulum through ribophorins. Okay, so sixth number question: the cytoplasm of bacteria is granular due to ribosomes, and the two subunits of ribosomes are live freely in cytoplasm, join only at the time of protein synthesis and dissociate at the end of protein synthesis. तो सब करते हैं. Ribosomes are composed of rRNA and protein. Okay, protein synthesis occurs on ribosome. Eukaryotic cells have which type of ribosome? 70S and 80S both. Which organelles is located near the nucleus and contains stack of flattened cisterny structure, that is Golgi bodies. 12th number questions. ठीक है. Golgi bodies are maximum in cell division. In a plant cell, the number of Golgi bodies increasing during cell division. And which part of the is formed by Golgi bodies? Acrosomes. Cells have secretory functions are rich in dictyosomes. Golgi complex is derived from endoplasmic reticulum. In plant cell, which organelle secrete pectin, hemicellulose, protein and microfibril of cellulose to make a cell wall, that is dictyosomes. Golgi apparatus serve as the center of carbohydrate metabolism. Okay, and Golgi complex is specialized for glycosidation of lipids, which membrane converts the light energy into chemical energy? Thylakoid. क्वांटाजोम्स आर फंक्शनल यूनिट्स. चारों ऑप्शन को अच्छे से देखना, उसके बाद आंसर को देखना. ठीक है, तुम ये कर सकते हो कि पहले वीडियो को पॉज कर लो, चारों ऑप्शन को देखो, कौन सा ठीक होगा मार्क कर लो, तो उसके बाद मेरे आंसर को नोट डाउन कर लेना. ए फ्लैटेंड डिस्क लाइक सैक इन क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज कॉल्ड thylakoid. Larger thylakoids in chloroplast are called stromal lamellae. Green plants obtain energy from sun through the chloroplast. These cells organelle provide energy to plants by absorbing from the solar spectrum violet and blue color. For the synthesis of glucose, source of hydrogen atoms are NADPH2. And which element forms nucleus core of porphyrin ring chlorophyll? That is only magnesium. One of the organelles release oxygen in photosynthesis that also contains plastoglobules, that is simple chloroplast. Cell organelles with own genome system and considered to be semi-autonomous are chloroplast and mitochondria. The role of chlorophyll in photosynthesis is photochemical conversion. Okay, so that is 30 number question. Solar energy is trapped in lamellae, and term thylakoid was given by Menke. Which one is common in nucleus? Chloroplast and mitochondria. All of the above means that is ribosomes and DNA are there. DNA also there. Double limiting membrane also there. So all of the above. Conversion of green tomatoes to red forms involves formation of chromoplast from chloroplast. Plastids present in illuminated cells are leucoplast. Beside leucoplast, starch grains are developed in chloroplast. A pigment in carotenoid is found in bacteria and fungi. It is capsaicin. That is capsaicin. The correct pair of constituent which is made up of aggregation of thylakoid grana. Okay. So 37th number question, then 30th question. Amyloplast looks like proplastid. Which organelle gives yellow-orange color to flowers and fruits? Chromoplast. Protein synthesis occurs in cells in cytoplasm and mitochondria and chloroplast. A cell that lacks chloroplast does not liberate oxygen. Chlorophyll A differs from chlorophyll B in having more hydrogen and less oxygen. In mitochondria, crista are sites of oxidation, reduction reaction and or respiration. In folding of cells organelles on which ATP synthesis occur, that is cristae. The inner membrane of mitochondria bears folding finger-like projection called crista. These crista increases the surface area. Okay, simple. 46. The number of mitochondria increases in the cells of germinating seeds. Animal cells have more mitochondria than plant cell because both are correct. That means plant cells have chloroplast also, okay, and animal cells not have chloroplast, okay. Plant cell के पास chloroplast होता है, animal cells के पास chloroplast नहीं होता है. So animal cells have more mitochondria and than the plant cells. Okay, 48 number question. Mitochondria and chloroplast are considered to be endosymbiotes. I mean endosymbionts of cells because they do not arise to de novo, possess their own nucleic acid, yes, have membranes similar to those of bacteria. So all of the above is the right answer. Oxysomes, elementary particle F0 minus F1 particles, are center of oxidative phosphorylation and found in inner membrane of the mitochondria. Kolliker called mitochondria as saccharosomes and Altman as the bioblast, who first stained and called this structure as mitochondria, that is scientist Benda. Mitochondria are absent in mature RBC. Which of the following observations most strongly support the view that mitochondria have electron transport system or enzyme, that is disruption of mitochondria yields membrane fragment which are able to synthesize ATP. Okay, so then 53rd question, what are mitochondrial oxysomes, that is ATPs. प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस occurs in all of them, that is साइटोप्लाज्म में होता है, मैट्रिक्स ऑफ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में भी होता है, स्ट्रोमा ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट में भी होता है प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. सो ऑल ऑफ द अबव इज द राइट आंसर. ओके, ए न्यूली बॉर्न मे बी इनहेरिट ऑल इट्स माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया फ्रॉम मदर, क्योंकि फादर के पास से सिर्फ साइटोप्लाज्म आता है, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया वो मदर के साइड से आता है. व्हिच ऑर्गेनेल्स कैन स्टोर लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ कैल्शियम, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. Number of oxygen present in mitochondrion is believed to be 10 to the power 4 to 10 to the power 5. In granular leukocyte WBC, like neutrophil, the granules are lysosomes. Secondary lysosomes, digestive vacuoles, digest food in phagosomes. Digestion of reserve food during the starvation by lysosomes is called autophagy. When lysosomes burst, they release their enzymes and digest entire cell. It is called autolysis. Which one is correct with the reference to lysosome? They are monomorphic and uniform in structure and function. Catalysis is mainly secreted from the peroxisomes. Glycosysomes and spharosomes are microbodies. Malaria is treated by chloramine, and this drug chloramine is accumulated in which cell organelle? Lysosomes. And the 66th questions, malfunctioning of lysosomes result in accumulation of materials, yes. Malignant transformation of cells, yes. Inborn disease, yes. So all of the above is the right answer. Which organelle converts cellular polymer into monomer? Lysosomes. Lysosomes are invariably present in phagocytes. Okay, so these are 68 questions. Okay, all 68 questions. I hope you all understood. Okay, so thank you.